everybody, and welcome back to another game. Today we are going to be playing Turbo Pug DX. I played this game for maybe an hour, and we got 4 pugs. The first one just jumps high. This one's fast and jumps very low. This one's slow but jumps way higher than all of them. And, well, except this guy. He jumps as high as this guy and runs as fast as this guy. So we're going to pick this guy because he's the best I have right now. So they can double jump, by the way. Some of them can double jump. This is actually a really fun game if you're just looking a game to like, oh, and I died. First thing. Wait, I got a new. This is a cat. Wait. What's the game's name? Turbo Pug. Hey, can you leave a comment down below? Are pugs dogs or cats? Because I don't think they're supposed to be a cat. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like there's not supposed to be a cat. Whoa, they jump high. Okay, and died right off the bat here. Okay. Oh, if you guys could hear, like, the background music, the cat's like, meow, no, don't kill me. You're not dying, you're just exploding into 1,000 little pixels. No, I can't get over those boxes because they're too high for the cat to jump across. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, and out, out, dead we go, dead we go. Na, na, na. Oh, we got over it. Whew. Oh, flip. The cat runs fast. Oh, and these letters that you see, if you get, as you can see on the right-hand side, if I get 1 R and get Turbo Pug, you get a new, like, little mini game, and you get 1 shot at it. And I don't know why you would want a new mini game. Oh, I need a D too. I need an R and a D. Jump, jump, jump! Oh, come on. Kitty, can you jump higher maybe? Oh. Okay, that was me that time. Na 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 na. Oh, hey, I just got shocked by lightning and I'm still alive. Okay, we'll try 2 more times, okay, guys? Oh, one. You ready? 1 more, guys. Come on, this is gonna be the best. No, okay,